Good evening, everybody. This is a crypto market recap for February 17th. So I'm just going to go over, I guess, what I'm looking at. So we had this triple inside bar that broke bear and broke bull in the same candle. I zoomed in to kind of see what we're looking at, and I'm kind of looking at this like it's a falling wedge. We're close to the upper trend line right now, and then we have this lower trend line here. So we've made enough room off this bounce, so we broke to a lower low with no follow through and on the 4 hour, and then we went right into a bounce. We did flush a little bit, but we went right into a 4 hour bounce afterwards, and we are just looking for a lower high than here. And I would expect we've made enough room now that we can make a higher high easily off the low. So that's what I'm looking at. This move hasn't even topped out yet. We just had an inside bar and we're breaking bull on that. So overall, the crypto alts are weaker than Bitcoin. Overall, if you ask me, am I playing the crypto sector? I'm not playing the crypto sector because I have no reason to at this time. If I will play crypto in these two opportunities. One, if I see Bitcoin daily oversold, I will be very inclined to play because it would be the first daily oversold since all-time highs. We hit overbought here, we cooled off a lot, and then I would be interested if we managed to hit daily oversold. I would play that because that would be an extreme move to the downside. Or if we move and we can manage to make a new all-time high, I would get interested as well. I will gladly pay more for crypto, for a Bitcoin, for whatever. But I'm not going to play this name when we've got a clear daily downtrend and it's just slowly moving down. It's just this type of movement does not interest me. I want to see extremes or pullbacks on powerful moves. Okay? So that's just where I'm coming from. I'm just playing regular tech sector names and finance names, and the ones that are moving the market right now, that's where I'm going to go. I wherever is the strongest sector, I will always be there. Crypto's not it right now, so I find it, it more matches almost IWM at times. So I feel like when we see IWM, the Russell 2000 start to move up, it means there's more risk on. People are more inclined to play the riskier assets. And of course, crypto is the riskier asset. So that's just where I'm coming from. As long as we are in this daily downtrend, which we are still in, I'm not interested. I want to see daily oversold or a new all-time high. Give me one of those two scenarios. I will play either one of those gladly. Okay. Ethereum. Same thing. Well, actually, no. We are in a daily uptrend now. We have officially made a daily uptrend in Ethereum as of today. We are pulling back, though. We didn't get a lot of follow through, which has me concerned of a rising wedge again. But we are also just still in this channel here, this sideways channel, equilibrium. So looks like we double topped on this bar here, and we could easily just keep trading sideways at this point. And we've also it seems like we're having a problem with the 12 moving average of the daily as well. So that's what I'm looking at. We want to keep continuing this move and break this level and break the panic low high, and that will show us that Ethereum is starting to turn around. Until then, we're just range bound and tightening up. So I'll have that on watch and see where we open up tomorrow. XRP. Okay, we did break this panic low, and we're still consolidating on the daily. We have the 12 and 50 moving average, which I was talking about yesterday. I said I would be looking out for hourly oversold to possibly mark a daily higher low, which we almost hit it here. Maybe we did, but it still hasn't showed us that it's turning around. We have kind of like a weird inverse head and shoulders here possibly playing out, but we need this We made enough room for a higher low. We're trying to put that in now on the hourly, but we need to shift this hourly uptrend. We haven't. Let's see what we've lost on this move. I mean, on this whole overall move, we're just at the 0.382. So yeah, ideally we hold this level here and we start seeing lower wicks. Okay, so XRP, it's one of the better names because there's not a lot of resistance. We've got a daily uptrend, and we're holding up pretty well as far as everything goes. Litecoin, still looking for its daily higher low. It looks like we would have hit hourly oversold. Yes, we did. Right there, we want that low to hold, and that would just show us that we're keeping this strong momentum to the upside. We're just looking for a daily higher low than this, 111.51.89 right there. And then we need to set this daily higher low though still. So break the high of today. Hype, a bit more of a pullback now. Now we've kind of even changed the, I'll call it 4-hour trend. It was a bit of a pivot for a daily, but we need to get this back bullish. We've got a double top here. We haven't lost a lot of this move yet, but the more we do lose, the more chance that we're at the 0.5. We almost made it to the golden pocket. I mean, from the low here, we just lost the 0.382. So if we're counting from the low, actually no, I'd still count it from this. So yeah, I'm as like if I want that low to hold. Let's see if that was hourly. Oh, we didn't even get hourly oversold on that. Okay, so yeah, I mean, ideally that would hold it, but we didn't even hit hourly oversold. And we've got the daily 12 moving average right underneath it. So, I mean, this could be still good. We need this to hold though. And now we have a triple top right here to deal with. So that will be an important key level to break. And then we've got another key level right above it. So, but if these levels can break, this will get interesting. Sorry. BNB still holding above the 0.382 of this big move, so that's good. We've got the 50 moving average underneath it as support. We're just a daily inside bar today, so we're double at daily inside bar starting out. And yeah, ideally we hold this 0.382 level, and then we increase our odds that we see it in inverse head and shoulders here, and we see continuation to not. Is this all-time highs? Yep, that's all-time highs at, I guess, yeah, this is all-time highs, sorry. It will increase our odds drastically if we can turn this around and break this level. Solana, oof, yep. We broke our panic low, no follow through on the day yet. Ideally, now we need to see this low hold and start bouncing on the 4-hour. We made enough room for an hourly higher low. We did. Now this bounce needs to see follow through. But we would still be looking for a lower high because of the amount of this pulled back. And we would see a tightening range at this point. So Solana does not look good on the medium term. Does not look good. Still looking like it's looking for its monthly higher low at this point. So that's what I'm cautioning. Still looking for a weekly higher low than this bottom. Doesn't have to happen. It's just usually the most likely scenario. But yeah, actually I was even kind of saying this was like kind of a weekly head and shoulders, and this could have just put in a quick right shoulder. So yeah, caution on Solana. It is standing out for its weakness. It could be for a reason. That's why I say it. It is one of the weaker names right now. If it's losing its panic low. It's weak. Ondo. So we've lost this equilibrium, and we're just seeing, now we're seeing our follow through. We broke it on what day? Saturday. Sunday was an inside bar, so it wasn't confirming the breakdown, but unfortunately today it has. Now we're visiting the lows first thing on Tuesday, and we're basically just looking at the lows here. Nothing has changed. This was just a bounce, and we're just setting 4-hour lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Nothing's changing on Ondo. So Ondo's looking fairly weak as well. To be honest, most of the cryptos kind of looking weak. There's just names that are standing out. Still weak, but are standing out. Where are we at? Ondo. Link still in its equilibrium here. It's got so many tops here. 1, 2, 3, 4 tops here. This is very important here to break this. And if we lose this low, caution, we're just going to head back down, and it gives more power to the bears to push us to lower lows, break down. So watch out for Link as well. Just so many tops there. Sui, unfortunately, it fell out of this rising wedge, and it's just been a straight shot down now. Looking at this support here, are we getting hourly oversold? Yeah, we cooled off there, even right into a lower low. We have made enough room to make a higher low on the 1 hour, but still doesn't look ideal. Just looking for a daily higher low than here at this point. So Sui, daily higher low than 309,479. And then we break that, we go to this quadruple bottom. So yeah, Sui's looking a bit weak now too. Still stronger as far as a few of the other names, but start showing with some weakness nonetheless. Mochi, we still have this inverse head and shoulders. We broke out, and it looks like it was a fake out today. Big upper wicks. Oh, greasy. We didn't get above these levels here. That's what we need to do. But we have set an hourly higher low. Now we have a bit of resistance here. We need to odds favor a lower high than this after the amount of the pullback this was. So we will see how that goes. But Mochi looks like one of the stronger names actually. For a potential continuation move. Okay. Yeah. We need to hold this low though. Alpha, just looking for a daily higher low than this. The more we're losing here, the more we just trade sideways. We're losing the golden pocket even, so yeah, odds favor a higher low, but they also favor a lower high as well. So that's where we're at with Alpha. Caspa, seeing daily consolidation today. Yeah, all these upper wicks was kind of giving that away. We've got the daily 12 moving average right underneath us. We're just looking for a daily higher low than 0.08908 right here at this time. So we have lots of room for that. Ideally, we hold this level here though, and we have a daily bull flag potential. Yeah, we're still holding the 0.382 on this move, increasing the odds of a bull flag, but we need to put in a low now. Do we get hourly just under hourly over, just above hourly oversold. So yeah, if we can hold this, that would give us even more conviction of a daily bull flag. But we need to hold right around here, that 12 moving average. And then if we can break this, we are just looking for a weekly, we're just in a weekly inside bar, double weekly inside bar. Then we would just be looking for a weekly lower high than 5.15631. So even if we still break it, we still have lots of room for a lower high on the weekly. But it's good that, and we're also still in the mother bar, so this can be choppy for a long time. Ideally just bull flags. AVAX, just been weak. Just basically back tested the 12 moving average on the way down. And yeah, or even back tested this rising wedge. So we're looking weak on AVAX. Just hoping for this support to hold. Ton, still trading sideways. That's crazy. Looking for a daily higher low than here. And then whenever we bottom out, we would be looking for a daily lower high than this. But yeah, very tight range. If this breaks, this could be an explosive move. We still have this daily 12 EMA guiding us down. Seems like the 12 EMA is just guiding all these names down. Trump still just looking for a lower high than its panic low here of 1434. Hasn't been set yet. Need to change the hourly trend. That's where it starts. Hourly oversold. Hasn't quite gotten there. Just keeps cooling itself off enough to just keep going down. All right. Well, yeah, I mean, overall, I would say that the crypto space is fairly weak. There's a couple names that stand out, which I would say are XRP, Litecoin, Hype potentially, BNB, Mochi potentially. If we can get above this level, that would be a great sign for a big move to come here. And yeah, that's about it. Those are the names that I think are standing out at this time. Anyways, I will see you for the pre-market tomorrow.